Welcome to my channel, Reading Made Easy. Let's read something interesting. The name of today's story is The Bundle of Sticks. Once upon a time, there was an old man who lived in a village with his three sons. Although his three sons were hard workers, they quarreled all the time. The old man tried to unite them but failed. Months passed by and the old man became sick. He asked his sons to remain united, but they failed to listen to him. At that moment, the old man decided to teach them a lesson. He called them and gave them the bundle of sticks. He told them to break the bundle of sticks into pieces. He told, the one who finishes first will be rewarded more than the others. The sons tried but could not break the bundle of sticks. Then he asked the sons to break each stick into pieces. The sons broke the sticks within minutes. The old man said, my dear sons, breaking every single stick was easy, but breaking them in a bundle you could not do. By staying united, nobody can harm you. If you continue to fight, then anyone can quickly defeat you, he said. Then the three sons understood the power of unity. They promised their father they would all stay together. The moral of the story is unity is strength. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.